I have the Hisense VIDAA Smart TV, and I'll be showing you how to remove the system pin. So from the home screen, and if you're not on the home screen, just press the home button on your remote to go to the home screen, and then go to settings. Under settings, scroll down to system, select that. Under system, scroll down to parental control and select that. Now it's going to ask for your system pin, so just enter the current system pin that you have, and once you enter the correct system pin, it's going to open the parental control page. So what you want to do is go to the bottom of that page and press reset to default. So it's going to say parental controls will revert back to the factory default settings. Do you want to continue? Select OK and press OK on your remote control. And that's it. So now when you go to system pin, you can see it's saying create pin. So the system pin that was there has been successfully removed. Thanks for watching. Leave your comments and questions down below, and good luck.